One more thing is pollution. Pollution, this word has come from Latin word. It has come from polluer, and polluer is to soil. To soil is basically contaminating, that is defile, contaminating. So this is whatever is clean, if you are mixing something and making it not unusable or harmful, that is pollution. So pollution can be for anything. So there are pollutants. If you have water and if you put some material that is harmful for us, so the pollutant can be solid, it can be liquid, it can be gaseous form, so it can be of either form. So pollution is affecting us. It is affecting the surroundings. It is affecting the atmosphere. So it is harmful. I am not talking about only human. The respiratory problem is so much. The data is showing Delhi is the capital of pollution. Highest pollution is there. We are thinking about ourselves. What about animals and plants? They are also taking they are also taking sans air. So basically we are doing this, and it will have a detrimental effect on the environment. Water we are putting waste, land we are putting waste, air we are putting waste, the pollutants, anything which is harmful are pollutants. See, a factory, it consumes a lot of water, it consumes electricity, and finally what is the result? It gives out chemicals, effluents, and this goes to air also, land also, water also, everywhere, right? Now it is contaminating the environment, it is contaminating, or it is polluting, soiling the atmosphere. Water pollution caused by the factories, this is a serious problem. The petroleum, diesel we use for various purposes, for our car, for our truck, etc. So it is producing a lot of emissions, fuel emissions, and these emissions contains harmful gases. Petroleum gases, all they produce. For example, carbon dioxide is coming, methane is coming. Carbon dioxide is a global warming gas. Methane, nitrous oxide is very dangerous for our lungs, for our respiration. See, the corona, all these things, why we are not immune now. We are affected by corona so easily. So these are all harmful for everyone, for living beings. So we discussed about pollutants. So whatever is clear, like air, water, now when we mix inadvertently or purposefully in solid, liquid, gaseous form some contamination, some bad thing, some harmful thing, which is harmful for not us humans, but also for the living beings, other living beings, the plants, these are pollutants, and these cause pollution. So there are two types of pollutants we can define. One is pollutants that decompose, or pollutants that cannot decompose. So there are certain things like human waste or anybody's waste, plant waste. So in due course of time, it will become soil. That is, the composition from which it is formed, finally it will be made in the same way by the nature. But those which cannot decompose, that means it will remain in that form ever. So this is pollutants that cannot decompose. So pollutants that break down into simpler, smaller, harmless substances naturally, that is by the mother nature, by the action of say temperature, pressure, moisture, bacteria, microorganisms. These are called biodegradable pollutants. For example, vegetable waste, because we make vegetable every day, whatever waste is coming. Sewage waste, that is your human excreta, the animal excreta, the paper, the wood, the cattle dung, and the agriculture waste, because basically the animal are like us only, they also eat and they also excrete. Because if you see cow dung, after some time you will see it will become normal like soil. Agriculture waste, from organic waste. So these are pollutants, but they will decompose by itself in due course of time. they will not be there forever. They will take the form which is, say, friendly to the nature. So this, it will not be that harmful. But pollutants that cannot decompose, these are dangerous. That is, which cannot be broken into smaller, simpler parts or harmless parts or substances. These are non-biodegradable pollutants. So the harmful effect which are caused by or given by these pollutants will remain there for hundreds and thousands of years. Why we are saying that don't use plastic? Why we are saying insecticides, pesticides, chemicals we should not use, like mercury, lead, and there are so many, aluminium, glass, metals, non-metals, and they will take life to decompose. It will remain with us, for us, in a food chain, in our air, water, land. Glass, if it breaks, the very small parts it will result, and where it is going you don't know. So it is there with every one of us. It's very dangerous. So we need to be very careful about these pollutants. So the factors which are responsible for polluting the environment, what are these? First is your car, your bike, the vehicles, different vehicles on the road. They create fumes which are coming from vehicles, and they go directly into the air. The aircraft, air travel, it's most dangerous because it's hurting the ozone layer. Then we use, for excessive agriculture, we use chemicals, for example, insecticides, fertilizers, pesticides. So the alkaline, this is the soil pollution I'm talking about. Soil has a proper pH value, that is the acidic or the alkaline value, base value. In that value only, the microorganism, the content, nutrient will remain. If the pH value change, that is the acidic value change, it will harm the soil, the microorganisms, the living being and others. They will not be able to live there. Okay. So this is what is adversely affecting the health of the microorganisms, the different organisms like the vermi. So this is how, because it eventually go into our food chain. So the pH value is dangerous for water also and for soil also, because the plant has to grow, the microorganism has to live. I talked about plastic. These are the most dangerous one, like the bottles and the poly bags. See, whenever it goes, it pollutes the water also and destroys the flora and fauna. For example, the cow is our mother, but cow dies when cow eat polythene because she doesn't know what she is eating. All the animals does that. So we are actually killing our friends like animals. Dangerous gases like chlorofluorocarbons, methane, CH4, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, N2O, it is not NO, it is N2O. This is released into the air, and these are so dangerous. For example, if someone around you, he is burning waste, you will not be able to breathe in your house. This is how this is affecting. So there are types of pollution. What we are discussing one by one. So we have land pollution, water pollution and air pollution. There is one more pollution we are talking about, is noise pollution. Noise pollution is not so much talked, but it is also dangerous for every human being, every living being, everyone. So what is it? We are talking about land pollution or soil pollution. So land pollution, we are not talking about noise pollution. We have not given here, but it is a. So if you are in a hospital, if there is some jagran going on or some azan going on, or some gurbani is going on, if it is in loudspeaker, you are not able to recite. You use headphone every time, and you see it's a very high volume. In due course of time, you will not be able to hear. Without eyes, without ears, you cannot live. It's very difficult to live. So land pollution is the damage to the land because of harmful substances. This is land pollution. Soil pollution, it causes the soil degradation. What is water pollution? When we add dangerous and harmful substances, or you can say disease causing bacteria or any microorganisms in your water resources like rivers, lake, ocean, this is water pollution. So the clean water which Mother Earth has given us, we are polluting it. I'll give you an example. It is coming later, but this is very important. There is a ship and there are lakhs of tons of oil there. Say, for example, crude oil. Now, it is always possible that the ship can sink. And you will see thousands of kilometers this oil, it will float on the ocean surface. And what will happen to the fish, the aquatic ecosystem? So this is what we are doing because we want economic development. We want good luxury life. What is air pollution? Addition of harmful gases and particles in air. This is air pollution. As I talked about the methane, the carbon dioxide, the nitrous oxide, all these are dangerous. What happens because of this pollution?